Welcome. In this video, we'll explore LPG and propane gas supply, covering what they are, where they come from, and how they're used. Let's start with a quick introduction to LPG and propane to understand what they really are. LPG stands for liquefied petroleum gas, and propane is a type of LPG. They're closely related, but not exactly the same. We'll look at their similarities and differences. LPG and propane offer many benefits, making them popular energy sources. Let's discover more. Where does LPG and propane come from? They're not just manufactured out of thin air. One primary source is natural gas processing, where LPG and propane are extracted. They're also byproducts of crude oil refining, another significant source for their creation. How do we get LPG and propane from production sites to consumers? Storage often involves tanks or cylinders, essential for both residential and commercial use. Transportation can be done through pipelines or trucks, depending on the scale and location. LPG and propane have diverse uses. Let's see where we find them. Many homes rely on LPG or propane for heating and cooking. Industrial applications are common too, where LPG and propane power various processes. They're also used as automotive fuels in some vehicles and industries. Safety is important when dealing with LPG and propane. Let's discuss key precautions. Proper handling and storage are critical to prevent accidents and leaks. Regular leak detection is essential. Know how to recognize and respond to gas leaks. Let's overview the supply chain, from production to end users. Understanding how LPG and propane travel from production to your hands is key. With all this understanding, you're more informed about LPG and propane supply, advantages of LPG and propane gas, and the equipment used for their supply. Let's begin with a quick overview of what LPG and propane are all about. LPG stands for liquefied petroleum gas, and propane is a type of LPG. LPG and propane gases are used widely in homes and businesses. Now let's talk about the numerous benefits of using LPG and propane. LPG is a very cost-effective source of energy, especially compared to other fuel sources. LPG is considered an environmentally friendly alternative fuel source. LPG and propane are highly versatile, used for heating, cooking, water heating, and more. LPG and propane provide a reliable energy source with easy transportation and portability. Let's have a look now at some essential equipment for LPG and propane supply. Gas tanks and cylinders are used to store and transport LPG and propane. Regulators are essential for controlling the pressure of the gas. Valves and piping are needed to safely distribute LPG and propane. Safety devices, like leak detectors, help ensure safe handling of LPG and propane. Similarities between LPG and propane. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are LPG and propane? LPG stands for liquefied petroleum gas, a mixture of hydrocarbon gases. Propane is a specific type of LPG, primarily consisting of propane gas. Both LPG and propane have similar chemical compositions. They both consist primarily of hydrocarbon gases. While both contain propane, LPG may include other gases like butane. Let's explore the physical properties of both gases. At room temperature and pressure, both are gases. Under moderate pressure, both can be liquefied for easier storage and transport. Now let's discuss how these gases are commonly used. Both are used for heating, cooking, and fueling appliances. Additionally, they are used in industrial and automotive applications. Safety is crucial when handling these gases. Both require careful handling due to their flammability. Both are heavier than air and can accumulate in low areas. Let's look at the environmental impact of these gases. Both burn cleaner than other fossil fuels. Both produce less greenhouse gas emissions compared to coal. To summarize, let's discuss the core similarities between LPG and propane. The key similarities are chemical composition, physical properties, and usage. In summary, LPG and propane offer several important benefits. Remember, LPG and propane are cost-effective, eco-friendly, versatile, and reliable. Always remember, safe handling and installation by qualified professionals are crucial for LPG and propane use.